Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn on privacy preserving and measurement on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to preserve your privacy on related to ads on websites so that no private information should be shared on your from your iPhone to any website. So if you want to do that, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and in general what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and this time you have to simply click on software update, and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device, because it will work on the latest devices. So iOS 18 update. So if you want to turn on the privacy and preserve measurements, you have to simply go to apps, and here what you have to do, you have to look for Safari. And if you use Safari, then you can simply enjoy that feature. So you have to make sure that you use Safari while browsing. So you have to simply open the Safari here, and after opening the Safari, you have to simply go to Safari settings, and after that, if you scroll it down, you will find the option of advanced here. So here you can simply find advanced tracking and fingerprint protection, and below you will find privacy preserving and measurement. So if you turn this toggle on, your privacy information will not be leaked on websites. So Safari will take care of that, and it will not be your information will not be shared on any kind of websites. So you hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can simply subscribe our channel.